Depression does not discriminate. More than 400 Black Hoosiers died by suicide in the past 5 years. Now, those numbers come from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. WRTV's Tosh Shipman shows us how pastors are working to help save lives.
Church can be a very inspiring place, but even the most faithful people can still deal with negative emotions. When those feelings lead to suicidal thoughts, how can their faith bring them back into the light?
It's not something that should be shunned, but it's something that we need to really take a note of.
Dr. Reginald Wells, a pastor from North Carolina, visited Indiana's Black faith leaders to spread a more somber word: suicide.
Some people have never said it, being able to say, can you say suicide in a sentence? And some people struggle with that.
Wells cannot ignore the struggle.
My great nephew died by suicide, and then I knew that this is my life's calling. To really engage in this work.
Wells works with the Soul Shop movement. They are in Indy because the state's Black suicide rate is rising. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say 60 Black Hoosiers died by suicide in 2018. In 2023, 82 Black Hoosiers took their own lives.
If churches can't do something about hope and social connection, then we've got some real problems.
Soul Shop Executive Director Michelle Snyder led the conversation between the faith leaders. Our cameras were not allowed inside because some revealed dark dots of their own.
There are pastors in the room today who have said that at different points in their life and in their ministry, they've thought about suicide. Pastors have lost people to suicide. Pastors are worried about family members who might be at risk for suicide.
How can keepers of the faith open their hearts to those who have lost faith in life itself? It starts by opening their mouths and ears.
Having conversation around mental health, persons are suffering, persons have desperation, and we want the church to embrace that.
Through thoughts, prayers, and community action. Tosh Simmons, WRTV.
The Soul Shop session was sponsored by the Family and Social Services Administration. Regardless of your faith, if you are dealing with suicidal thoughts, you can call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. That number is 988.